Stop making bad choices with your home's most important comfort device. You think you know premium smart thermostats? Think again. The year 2026 has reshaped the landscape, and if you're not choosing wisely, you're literally throwing money out the window while staying uncomfortable. I'm here to cut through the noise and reveal the absolute best premium smart thermostats of 2026, the ones that deliver on comfort, savings, and pure smart tech. And let me tell you, the number one pick this year might just shatter your preconceived notions. It's not just about getting smart, it's about achieving supreme, effortless comfort control across your entire home. Stay tuned, because you don't want to miss it. Kicking off our premium picks at number 5 is a surprise entry that proves you don't need to empty your wallet for a taste of the good life: the Amazon Smart Thermostat. Its best features? Seamless Alexa integration makes voice control a dream. It's incredibly intuitive, simple to use, and gets you into smart home routines without the usual setup headaches. This is for the Amazon ecosystem loyalist, someone who wants a straightforward, reliable smart thermostat without overcomplicating things. Now, an honest flaw. While it's brilliant for the price, it lacks the advanced learning algorithms or multi-room sensing capabilities of its more expensive siblings on this list. It's premium functionality, but not the ultimate premium experience. But if you're ready to step up your game and crave more granular control and a gorgeous interface, then our next pick is definitely calling your name. Sliding in at number 4 is the Emerson Sensi Touch, a true workhorse that brings sophisticated control to your fingertips. Its best features include an incredibly intuitive, vibrant touchscreen display, robust app control that's a joy to navigate, and deep compatibility with almost every HVAC system out there, even older ones. It's perfect for the DIY enthusiast who wants advanced scheduling, geofencing, and even humidification control, all wrapped in a sleek package. But let's be honest about its flaw. While the design is excellent, it might not have the same iconic wow factor or the super futuristic aesthetic of some other premium contenders. The app, while powerful, can sometimes feel just a touch slower to update than competitors. Now, if you've got a home with those annoying hot and cold spots, or you want your comfort to follow you around, then you absolutely need to see our number 3 pick. Coming in strong at number 3 is the Honeywell Home T9, a thermostat that truly understands your comfort needs across your entire home. Its killer feature is those incredible smart room sensors. These don't just detect temperature, they sense motion, allowing the T9 to prioritize comfort where you actually are. Add to that precise geofencing, a user-friendly app, and broad compatibility with Alexa and Google Assistant. This is designed for homeowners tired of uneven heating or cooling, those who crave precise comfort in specific rooms, and anyone who wants intelligent sensing without going all in on a complex system. The honest truth? While the sensors are fantastic, they do require batteries, which means occasional maintenance. And the main unit, while perfectly functional, doesn't quite have the striking aesthetic punch of our top 2 contenders. That's some serious smart tech, but what if you want a thermostat that practically reads your mind, learns your habits, and then transforms your energy bill with a stunning design? Get ready for number 2. At number 2, we have the legendary Google Nest Learning Thermostat. This device isn't just a thermostat, it's an icon. Its best features are, of course, its self-learning algorithms that practically anticipate your comfort needs, its absolutely stunning far sight display that shows you information from across the room, and its seamless integration into the Google Home ecosystem. This is the ultimate set it and forget it premium device for the design-conscious user, someone who wants effortless energy savings and a beautiful piece of tech on their wall. But even an icon has its Achilles heel. Nest's learning can sometimes be a bit too aggressive, leading to unexpected temperature changes if your schedule isn't perfectly consistent. Also, it doesn't include dedicated room sensors out of the box, and if you need humidifier control, you'll need to look elsewhere. Okay, we've seen smart, we've seen beautiful, we've seen intelligent. But for the ultimate in premium control, for the person who demands absolute perfection and data-driven comfort across every single corner of their home, our number one pick stands alone. And finally, seizing the crown as the best smart thermostat of 2026, the ultimate premium pick is the Ecobee Smart Thermostat Premium. This is the undisputed champion for total home comfort. Its best features are the included remote sensors that detect both temperature and occupancy, giving you unprecedented control over individual rooms. It has a built-in Alexa speaker, an integrated air quality monitor, and robust scheduling that lets you fine-tune every aspect of your climate. This is for the control enthusiast, for large homes with chronic hot and cold spots, and for smart home power users who demand comprehensive data and flawless performance. Now for its one honest flaw. It comes with a premium price tag, yes, but more importantly, the setup can be slightly more involved due to the sheer depth of its features. It's not just plug and play, it's plug in and master. Alright, you've got the lowdown on the absolute best premium smart thermostats for 2026. From the premium entry point to the undisputed king of comfort, these devices will transform your home and save you money. If you're ready to upgrade your home comfort and energy savings, check the pinned comment and description for the best prices right now. Don't waste another day being uncomfortable or overpaying on your energy bills. Go get your premium smart thermostat